Hi everyone, so for today's video I am back and I'm going to be doing a huge Primark haul for you because I nipped into Primark today and actually yesterday as well and they had some really good winter stuff in, so I thought I'm going to pick it up now because otherwise it will all be gone and the stuff that you want is in there. So yeah, I thought I'd film a little Primark haul for you, so if you've got a Primark near you, you can try and nip in and see what's around. And I picked this up literally like today and yesterday, so hopefully it should be in stores. It's currently the 23rd of August as I'm filming this. But yeah, hopefully this will give you some inspiration as well if you're starting sixth form or you're just looking for some good clothes for the winter really, then this should have you covered. Okay, so you can see I've got a pretty big bag behind me, but I'm going to start off with what was on the top. So I picked up this coat or jacket, whatever you want to call it. This was £18 and it's just in this really nice green colour, and I've never owned anything like this, to be honest with you. I've had like big coats and I've had like denim jackets, but I've never had anything like this. And last year I did look for something in this kind of style and I didn't find anything, but yeah, this was £18. I got this in an extra small just so, you know, I can still put a jumper underneath it. It's got a nice big pockets on either side, and then it's also got like drawstring, so you can adjust it, pull it in, pull it out, whatever you want to do. And yeah, it's just in this really nice green colour as well, which is something I don't own anything in this colour, and I just thought it would be a bit different, you know, a good old coat for the winter because you can never have like too many. And then I also picked up 2 pairs of jogging bottoms, as Primark have bought out, I don't know if they were there before, but I've never seen them, but yeah, Primark have bought out regular fit joggers. I am so happy that I finally found these because these have pockets, okay? All I've wanted from Primark joggers are pockets. I have a pair of the skinny joggers already and they don't have any pockets on them, and they're not the most comfortable things, but they were like good. But yeah, these are £5 each, so I picked up a black and a navy pair and they just look like this. So they've got a drawstring waist, then they've obviously got the pocket, and then they're cuffed at the bottom. And you know what, like for £5, even if I just wear these around the house, which is probably what I'll end up doing, they're like worth it. They're like good quality joggers. And then that's why I got a navy pair as well. I'm not gonna lie, I did have a pair of the slim, was it the skinny ones, and they've got like a different tie and it actually broke, so hopefully these won't. But yeah, these are like new and improved, it says, so I'm hoping they're good. I mean, I tried them on and they're very comfortable, so yeah, I picked up 2 pairs of joggers because you can never have too many joggers, can you? Next thing I got is this long sleeve black top. I actually have, if you would have seen it in one of my previous videos, I've got a white one like this. It's in white with like black around the edgings, and that's short sleeve. But I saw they did this in a long sleeve and I thought I'd pick this up. This one was £6, which I don't think is too bad at all, and I got this in an extra small just so, you know, it's a little bit more roomy. I tried on the 2XS, but that was really tight. And then it's just got, again, the lettuce sleeves and around the neckline, and I just thought, again, this is really nice. You can pair this with a skirt, with jeans, with kind of anything really, and you know, it's just a nice simple thing to have in your wardrobe. And also it means with long sleeve stuff I don't always have to have like a hoodie or a jumper really. And I picked up a denim skirt. This is a mini skirt and this was £12, and I got this in a size 6 just so it would be a little bit longer, as the 4 was very, very short. But this actually fits really well around my waist. I've really struggled recently to find things that fit both around my waist and my hips. And I have a denim skirt from Topshop, which is in a 4 from the petite, and that does fit really, really well. But I just saw this one, it was a little bit more stretchy, and what I also liked is it has like a built-in belt. I mean, you can take this off, but I actually think the belt's pretty nice, and it just helps it like to sit perfectly where you want it to. It's got pockets front and back, and it's a pretty good length as well. It's not really long, but it's not really short either. So, you know, that's kind of what you want. And I'm 5'2", and it probably comes a fair bit above my knee, but not like really short so your bum's hanging out. So yeah, I definitely recommend you heading down there. Primark had this obviously in black, like I'm showing you, and then they had it in like a tan and also like a dark denim blue. And as well as that, I picked up another coat because you can never have too many. This was actually the last thing I got in Primark, but this is a black fluffy jacket. This one was £20, so a little bit more than the green one. It's just got a zip at the front here. I don't know how well the camera will pick up on that because it's black. And then yeah, it's got like this really nice collar, so you can either have it like flat down or it can like stick up. And again, I just thought this was really, really nice. Again, kind of wanted something like this, and I thought, you know what, like you can't have too many jackets. I tried on the green one and the black one. I was like, oh, I don't know which one I want. And I was like, okay, we'll just go for both, you know, and I'll get good wear out of both of these. I'm kind of at that stage now with like, my clothes last me longer than 1 year. You know, when you're little and you grow out of things really quickly. You know, I've stopped growing, I'm not getting any taller now, so hopefully this should last me quite a few seasons. But yeah, it's really nice. It's pretty well lined inside as well, so it is going to keep you warm. And I just think it's really nice because it's fluffy on the outside. It's got a good zip, and what more could you want? So that's everything I picked up in Primark. I then also ran into Topshop because over the bank holiday weekend, they've got 20% off. So I thought, you know what, we're going to go in there and buy some jeans. As the jeans that I'm currently wearing, which are these like blue Joni jeans, they're from Topshop and they're the most comfortable things I own. They're the only pair of jeans I own, just these blue ones, as I had a black pair from Tesco, but they're completely stretched. I don't know why. I'm really disappointed in them. So I thought, you know what, it's 20% off. We're gonna go in and try some jeans on. So I tried some mum jeans on, as I'd love a pair of those, but they just didn't have my size. It's really weird because they're a different style. I thought, oh, I'll try this waist, and that was huge, whereas they're fine in the Joni jeans, if you get me. So yeah, didn't get those, but I did get some Joni jeans. So I got a black pair. I got these in a waist 28, length 30. Again, like I said, I'm 5'2". A length 28 probably would be alright, but these are the same size as the blue ones I own, and I think they're fine. And you know what I like about these? They've got belt loops, okay? Because the waist 28 is a little bit big on me, but the 26, you know, it looks a bit tight. But Joni jeans finally are coming out with belt loops, and I couldn't be happier because you can just put a nice belt on and cinch it in. So yeah, I got these. These are usually £36, but then I did get 20% off. So I saved £13 on both my items, so I'll work it out and put the price on the screen because I can't be bothered to do the maths now. But yeah, I got some black Joni jeans and I couldn't be happier. I had a pair of these like years ago. They were my first pair of Topshop jeans, and they didn't have the belt loops and they stretched so much that I can't wear them anymore. But I got some, so do look out because I'm sure Topshop will put 20% off on again, because obviously when this goes up, bank holiday's over. And then the other thing I got was this fluffy hoodie, I guess. I mean, you could probably wear this as like a jacket as well, but this is usually £29. I got this in a size 6, just so, you know, it's nice and roomy. It comes with a hood, and then it's just this really nice blue colour, really fluffy, really soft. Got the ring zip, which if you've watched me for a while, you know I really like things with that kind of zip on. But yeah, it's nicely lined, it's really thick inside, so yeah, you probably could wear this with like a top underneath and that. And yeah, you know, for £29, I was a bit like, oh, you know, that's like £30, that's quite a bit of money. But then at the same time I was like, oh, 20% off, it's a little bit cheaper, and it's quite good, like it is good quality. I know I'll wear this so much, so, you know, I don't mind. I don't really buy masses in Topshop anymore because it is a little bit more expensive than like Primark, but the stuff is good quality, and you know, every once in a while I'm like, okay, I'll treat myself. So yeah, I got this. Absolutely lovely, and this comes in also a burgundy and I think a black. That is my back to school clothing haul. I'm sorry if it wasn't as exciting as you thought, but yeah, the shops right now have got a lot of stuff on sale, but I just wanted to get a few little things for back to college season in case the weather completely turns again and becomes freezing cold. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. If you've got any more video ideas, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!